الزوليت مسويت ما سيتي ما تري مليح كي ثكوم أيوب. Welcome back to your channel Learn Tharifith. Are you planning to visit the breathtaking region of Rif? In today's video, I will teach you some essential Riffian phrases for travel. This is your one-stop guide to connect with locals, navigating confidently and leaving a great impression. Here is what we'll cover in this session. First, greetings and polite expressions. Second thing is the travel basics. And then we will cover directions or asking for directions. Then the last point will be shopping and dining. And don't forget to hit the subscription button in order for you to have more Riffian lessons. Let's get started. In Riffian culture, greetings are not just few words that you will say. They are a way to make a connection with the other person. Let's start with basics. In order for you to say hello in Riffian language, and because we are in a Muslim country, we say Assalamu alaikum. And don't forget to say it with a smile, because it shows that you are trying your best and you are trying to connect with the other person. The second thing to do when you are greeting someone is to say, how are you? In Riffian language, we say, "Muhtji." So, to greet someone depends on the time of the day. In instance, when you want to say good morning to someone, you can say "Sabah al-khair" or "Tifawi." And to say good evening or good night, we say "Msa al-khair." So, if you want to add a good impression and want to say thank you to someone, you say "Afek." Thank you is "Afek." So, excuse me in Riffian language, we say "Samhal." So, here we have a practical scenario when two persons are speaking to each other. They want to greet each other. The first person will say "Salamu alaikum." So, "Salamu alaikum." The second person will say "Wa alaikum salam." Muhtji. The first person will answer "Aqay mleh" or "Jir mleh." Ishik. I am good. And you? Or I am fine. And you? Khlidnish aqay mleh. I am fine too. Afak. Thank you. Let's go to the second section. Let's talk about basic travel communication skills. These phrases are your go-to when you need help. First thing, when you don't understand something and you need help. In Riffian, we ask for help this way. Can you help me? تزمد أدي تعاونت. Can you help me? تزمد أدي تعاونت. And then, when you don't understand something, you can say, I don't understand in Riffian language is أفهم خشي. أفهم خشي. We can combine them. I don't understand. Can you help me? أفهم خشي. تزمد أدي تعاونت. Scenario example. Imagine that you're trying to find a hotel, okay? And you're lost. You ask someone, where is this hotel? He began to respond, but you don't understand anything. In Riffian, in order for you to ask him to explain, you can say أفهم خشي. تزمد أي تفهمت. I don't understand. Can you please explain to me? Okay, imagine that you are in Rif, okay? And you want to speak with someone. You don't understand Riffian, but you are speaking other languages, like Spanish, French, for example. In order for you to ask them if they understand the language, for example, do you speak English? You can replace the language you want in this sentence and it will work. Now, describing yourself. You are a tourist, okay? I mean, we see you from far away that you're a tourist. Now, in order for you to present yourself, you can say, my name is Ayub and I am a tourist. In Riffian language we say, Nish qanay Ayub, Nish is tourist. Okay, now we can go to the essential questions. These sentences are lifesavers. First thing, where is mani ija or mani thija? So for example, Where is the house? ماني تجاه الدث. Second sentence that will save you. How much? If you are trying to buy something and you want to ask someone or the seller how much it costs, you can say مش حار. How much? Third sentence that will save you. I am looking for. For example, I am looking for my cousin or I am looking for my nephew. In Riffian we say رزوق. أخ ميسن عزيزي. رزوق means I am looking for. Practical scenario. You are in a village and you want to go to the market. You can say in Riffian language ماني جا السوق عافاك. Where is the market, please? Then the one you asked can respond قيبر يوبريدة. In front of this road. Now let's ask for directions. And this is the most important skill while traveling. And directions are too simple to memorize. Left أزرمات, right أفوسي. Left أزرمات, right أفوسي. Up أضارع or سوفجة. Down أودي. Straight ahead زداث. Behind أذفة or أثخام. Go up أري. Go down هوا. These phrases are practical in order for you to give instructions, for example for the taxi driver. Get me down this road. سهوايي زقوبريدة. Or go straight. راحنيشان. Go left. هذا ضزرمان. Go right. هذا ذفوسي. Imagine that you are visiting Al Husayma and you want to find a nice cafe and you are asking someone to give you advice. عافاك. تزمد أي ثمرد ماني تسار قهوة. Hello. Can you show me where is the coffee, please? من القهوة? Which coffee? القهوة ميرامار. ميرامار coffee. أفوسي يوبريدا وغنيشا أتفذ قباريني. Go right this street. Then go straight. You will find yourself in front of it. Then you can add عافاك يوجرحة. Please, is it far? And then he will respond to you. No, it's not that far. In Riffian, لا وتبقيش بزاف. Fourth section, shopping and dining. It's the last thing we do, and it's the best thing we do. Either for shopping or dining, it's a pleasure for us. But you need to know, or let's make sure that you know all the sentences that you will use while shopping or dining with your family. What is this? منايا. Or for example, you like something, you can say, I like this. تعجبي ذا. And the best question when we don't have enough money is to ask for its cost. For its cost, you can say, مشحال استقال. How much do you ask for it? And then, as any other Riffian, if you don't have enough money or you don't like the seller or for any purpose you don't want to buy immediately that thing, you can say in Riffian it means I will do a tour in the market and I will decide. But in 90% of the time we don't go back to this shop. Never again. Scenario example. I made you two personas. This is you and this is the seller, okay? You will ask the seller, منايا. You don't understand or you don't know what it is. The seller will respond, the الطبسي يدقي. It's a clay plate, okay? The الطبسير يدقي. مشحال إذا استقال. How much do you ask for it? 10 دراهم, 10 dirhams. In each market, we want to have the lowest price as a buyer and the seller want to have the best price for him. So we try to bargain. It's not like in Europe where you have fixed prices and you buy with the price that is in the tag. So in Rif, when you want to bargain with a seller, we have this sentence. Can you lower the price a bit? And always say it with a smile in order for you to make contact with the seller and in order for you to have a lower price. Last portion of this course, dine-in. You're hungry. In Riffian we say جوزة. It's one word, جوزة. Okay? It's so easy, جوزة. or الذوق هذا الشيء, I want to eat. When you are in a restaurant and you want to order something, you will say directly الذوق هذا الشيء, I want to eat. For example, if you want to order a pizza, you can say to the waiter الذوق هذا الشيء pizza, I want to eat a pizza. الذوق هذا الشيء pizza. So you're replacing the last word with whatever you want to eat, and the magic will happen. He will serve you the plate. So first pro tip in this session is for you to memorize the name of places, the name of plates or dishes. Remember, the key to making meaningful connections while traveling is showing respect for the local culture. If you find this video useful and you want to encourage me, you know what to do. You can subscribe here below and click the bottom line. Okay, I think that we've covered everything, and see you in the next session. Azul.
يا لالي